Hello everyone and welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Bring On the Birds. Swooping birds, whooping birds, birds with puffy chests, dancing birds, dance, dance, dance. Diving birds, birds with fluffy crests, hanging birds, hiding birds. Birds with jagged bills, hummingbirds. Drumming birds, birds with bills that drill. Skimming birds, swimming birds. Birds with tails held high, racing birds. Riding birds, birds that never fly. Dull or dazzling colors, long or little legs. All of them have feathers, and all are hatched from eggs. The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.